Hello friends, today I'd like to guide how we can cut or delete a specific part from a video using CapCut PC. So here is the video. First, after uploading the video, we need to drag and drop from here, from top to uh, bottom. Then I would like to cut from 111 to 1 8 seconds uh, up to 112 seconds. So let's spell it here 112. Then I need to go to the 1 minute 8 seconds like this. Yeah. Then I need to click on split again, and the middle part I will basically delete this part. Then just select this part from the bottom and click on backspace or delete. Then the part is actually deleted. So thank you guys. This way you can just delete a portion from a video.